Hi guys, Victor with Cole Outdoor Equipment, doing a mower walk around for you guys on one of our used units. This one's currently for sale here in our DeSoto location. This is a Hustler FasTrak. This mower was a trade-in from another customer who upgraded to a larger unit. It has the 60-inch deck. Customer didn't leave and is still installed on here. Is a deflector chute on there for you. When this mower was brought in, it was done through our Caldwell service shop over here. Had a 27-point inspection done on it. Got a lot of traffic today, sorry about that. Mower was brought in though. It does have 103 hours on it. It is under warranty until April of 25. So there's some factory warranty still left on here. There's your price for you. If you have any questions about this unit, give us a call.